Hey, what's up guys? Zach here. The biggest entrepreneur opportunity right now in 2020 is VR as a service. Creating 360 virtual tours for clients, small business owners, car dealers, vacation rentals, real estate property managers. We just had a member sell a contract for $200,000 plus around $3,000 to $5,000 a month in subscriptions to just 2 companies. She's got 3 more she's trying to sell by the end of the year as well too. Here's what's happening now and why this trend is so profitable and so amazing for the entrepreneur like you. Number one, we're post-pandemic, right? So that means that there is a ton of people scrambling, cobbling together solutions and trying to figure out, how do I sell in the virtual world, right? They need virtual tours, they need virtual VR providers to come in and help their business. To figure this out on their own just seems complicated. Plus, virtual tours and CloudPano tours align with the selling objectives of sales teams. So you can throw up a CloudPano live call on top of a 360 virtual tour. And what this does is now you're having a video chat call with your client and you're walking them through a space, walking them through the car dealer showroom, etc. Schools are using these to show students, hey, we got a clean school, don't worry, it's gonna be great. And parents, there's applications that are almost endless. It's actually pretty crazy. We have guys selling $10,000 virtual tours one time a pop to their mayor, to universities nearby. They're tacking on subscriptions. So how do we do this? So I'm gonna show you right now in this video how to do it. If you don't want to know, it's okay. Just click, skip, or go somewhere else. So it's very simple. We have this new hardware. So you need hardware first. So you need a 360 camera. There's all kinds that are out there. They come out with more cameras every few months. Then you also need software you can private label. So CloudPano, who I'm coming from, is the software side. Our software you can private label. So you can put your own domain name, own URL on top of your virtual tour. This means that when you sell virtual tours to your clients, your URL shines through. People come find you organically. That means your business shines, not ours. We'll hide in the background and help you thrive in that way. Also, too, you need customers, right? You need a customer plan, okay? You need to have a customer acquisition machine where you can run advertising, create leads, build rapport, warm them up, get them on a demo call, and close the deal. You need to be able to put together case studies in order to do that. And the more success you have with your clients, the more successful treasure chest of case studies you're gonna have to be able to show your clients. And therefore, get more customers and bigger fish. So yes, Heather, sells a $200,000 tour to probably 300 plus properties, virtual tours, 300 plus properties. That's a rare thing, right? But we see everything in between and few and far between coming through right now on CloudPano, the software. What's interesting about CloudPano, we've had 14,000 users come through. Thousands of them become Pro Plus members. That's where you can private label your own URL on the platform. And they do this because they're able to get customers. We're helping them get customers. We figured out a long time ago that if we can help you get virtual tour customers, that means you're gonna make more money and be able to stay a member of our platform for a long time, right? Makes sense. So our goals are actually aligned together. So, and then we ended up making a higher level program called BTPS, where you can get on group coaching calls with me, with other members, see what we're working through, talk it out, hash it out, talk about getting that first sale, go through the small things. That's where the profit's really made, in the small things, right? So every week we have a weekly call inside BTPS going through each other's businesses. For example, one guy on a call presented an auto collision repair client that has 50 locations, and he may actually be able to, and they're merging with some other company, it may turn into a 150 location project. Again, we're post-pandemic. Virtual tours have huge demand. The 360 utility is usable for anything. This right here, this cabin's a vacation rental. They had a 360 virtual tour, it'd fill up all the time. The applications are endless, right? So if you are a photographer, drone provider, entrepreneur looking for the next wave, digital marketer, a local SEO expert, listen, on CloudPano, you can upload CloudPano Virtual Tours, right in the same system, a couple clicks away to Google Street View. Helps so much SEO, right? We're helping our users and members help their clients. That's how if you make more money, so do we. That's just how it works. Now, here's the thing. When you create virtual tours for folks, when you shoot them on location, there's small things. There's a workflow. You may want to outsource your editing. You may want to build a list with a team, a database team. You may want to hire somebody to shoot the photographs for you. You may want to target one niche at a time. There's all these small things that you can go through and mess up. There's a lot of opportunities to quit, okay? I get it, man. Business is hard. There's nothing about it that's easy, okay? You have to work hard. You have to be very consistent. You need congruency. You need people around you that are going to help you. That's what you need. You cannot be the solo freedom fighter forever. Doesn't work. You need help, right? So, next to this video, there is a link. I want you to click it. Basically, we're here to help you. It's a long form piece of content that gets you to the next level, okay? Helps you in the virtual tour space. Helps you think about your customers' problems and pains, right? Because at the end of the day, all you're trying to do is help your customer who has a problem and pain get to a better state. They have a place they want to go, and you're going to assign a service to that. Doesn't have to be 360 virtual tours. You don't have to use CloudPano to do it. Either way, that still is true. Small business owners need help. They have pains, they have problems. And if you can listen well, extract them, and assign a solution, you'll be able to get paid, right? So that's what we're about at CloudPano. We're here to help you, and that's what Virtual Tour Profit is all about. Now, if you're interested in a group environment where we are crushing this business together, BTPS is for you. It's called the Virtual Tour Profit System. Listen, no shame. At the end of my webinar, we're going to show it to you. We're going to detail it for you. We're going to ask you to make a decision and commit to yourself and invest. Of course we are. Businesses are run off investments. ROI is run off investments. That's just how it works, especially as we give ongoing service to you. We make sure you're invested, right? That's just how it works. If you think you can go it alone, there's a higher chance you will fail. It's just the way it is. I make investments. I join group coaching. I get congruency in my life as an entrepreneur, as a software entrepreneur, right? So you need that too. That's why it exists, because we know you need it. We know it works. So again, our goal is to help you. Our goal is for you to use the trending technology. We lucked out. We're blessed. We are in a place where the trend happened because of a pandemic, where everyone wants virtual tours now. It's a big deal. We didn't see that coming. Yes, we're blessed, but here's the thing. If you don't take advantage of it and say yes to yourself and go for it, you're going to look back and go, man, I wish I listened to that Zach guy who showed me that video that one time. You don't want to regret. I mean, here's the thing. I never look back at my things that I try, that I go for it. Go for it, right? I never regret that. Don't dabble in the business. Work hard at it. Push it through. See it through to the end, right? That's what successful people do. They don't quit, right? I'm not trying to make this some hoorah motivational speech. Here's what I'm trying to say. If you would like to join a community of people who are creating virtual tours for clients and actually helping that business make more money, helping your clients do better, helping them grow, then BTPS and CloudPano is for you. Join our weird, crazy world, man. We have so much cool stuff we're seeing and going on. You gotta join us. I mean, if at the very least, just go shoot some tours, make a couple $1,000 and have some fun. But I would rather you be like Heather and sign your $200,000 contract and march forward and go slay the dragon. Okay, so that's what we call it. Anyways, click the link by this video. I'm a normal guy, and commit to yourself. Consume the content, and ask yourself: do I want to invest in the CloudPano program that's called BTPS? Do I want to invest in myself? How much money will I make, and will I make it faster if I join the program, Or will I make it slower if I don't? Probably, you know. My hope is that you do well no matter what. So God bless. I'll see you later.